Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm replacing two ceiling tiles in my basement that's been damaged by water. The picture on the left is the damaged one and the picture on the right is the one I'll be replacing. Here I started out by purchasing 2x4 ceiling tiles from Home Depot to replace the damaged ones. There wasn't any significant water damage, just a small leak I caught early on from a loose garbage disposal in the kitchen that had to be retightened, and that's why I ended up having to replace these two. And to make it look good and pleasant to the eye, as you can see, this first one is getting stuck, but I figured I wasn't going to be using it anymore, so I broke it. You all, I had a great uncle named Uncle Cyphus. I believe lived into his 90s. He was a builder and would have loved the idea that a few of his kin was still holding things down with this kind of project, whether big or small. As I stated in my bio that I will speak on a fun fact or something informative, Michigan Lifeline program. Did you know that it offers a discount on monthly phone services for low-income families? And the discount amount depends on the age and the service provider. There is some color differences with the tile, and that's because of age, but the two new ones will catch up with the years to come. And as you can see, this didn't take no time at all. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and comment down below.